Ano po ba ang sinasabi sa ating Biblia pagdating po siya sa courtship and marriage, Pastor Dave?
Actually, ang courtship patungo ng marriage, 'no? So, the Bible talks about marriage more.
Mhm.
Ayon sa Matthew 19:6, sa bibig ng ating Panginoong Hesus, sabi niya, "So they are no longer two, but one flesh. What therefore God has joined together, let no one separate." At yung separation din, hindi yung physical separation ang tinutukoy, kundi yung marital separation, which means na severe na yung marital bond because somebody else committed adultery. So, yun
Mhm.
po yung tinutukoy diyan ng Panginoon. Tapos sa 1 Corinthians 7:39, we find that a wife is bound to her husband, lalo na pag sila talagang gumawa ng commitment before God sa isang marriage. A wife is bound to her husband as long as he lives. But if her husband dies, she is free to marry anyone she wishes. So in other words, from God's perspective, ang marriage is really binding for life, and only death can break that relationship. Kaya pwede ulit mag-asawa without committing adultery. So we find that also in Romans 7, verse 7, 2 to 3. Paul says, "By law, a married woman is bound to her husband for as long as he is alive. But if her husband dies, she is released from the law, that is God's law, that binds her to him. So then, if she has sexual relations with another man while her husband is still alive, she is called an adulteress. But if her husband dies, she is released from that law and is not an adulteress if she marries another man." So that's Romans 7, 2 to 3. So talagang inviolable talaga ang marriage relationship.
Mhm.
Pero yung mga dahil po sa domestic abuse, violence, puwede pong physical separation to avoid further damage. Yun na nga, hindi puwedeng mag-asawa uli.
Yun.
So, that's why in our law, we have legal separation, 'no, to protect that right. Yeah.
Mhm. Ayun nga ang tatanungin, I'm sure dun sa mga nakikinig po sa atin ano, na hiwalay, paano ang mga annulled? Ayan, yung divorce na at may another
Mhm.
partner na. Pero kanina nung nag-uusap tayo, tinanong ko na yan kay Pastor Dave, mga kapatid, ano, paano po yun? Pero katulad ng ibang batas, ano po, na dapat sinusunod natin, yun ang batas ng Panginoon. Yun yung nakuha ko
Mhm.
kanina when we were talking na hindi natin puwedeng i-bend yung batas, ano po,
Mhm.
at yun ang sinasabi ng Panginoon. That's the reason why we are talking about this, to avoid that. Sino ba
Yes.
naman tao, 'di ba, na pumasok sa kasal o
Mhm.
nakipagrelasyon at sinabi ngang it's a lifetime commitment na gustong masira yon, 'di ba? Lahat naman tayo hoping na forever na talaga. Kahit
Kung
sabihin
puwede
mo,
lang.
oo, yun ang iniisip talaga na forever. And
Mhm.
nangyayari, nakikita natin din yan. Hindi naman po porket marami naghihiwalay, gano'n na rin ang kahihinatnan. Pero marami rin ang nananatiling committed, ano po, Pastor
Mhm.
Dave,
Yes.
sa kanilang
Marami din, eh.
marriage.